In this video, I will show you how to send money from Pakistan through Western Union. So if you want to send money abroad or even within Pakistan, and you want to do this using Western Union, here's how you can do it. First, just head over to Western Union's website, and from there what you need to do is click on Find Locations. Then it will use your IP address and location to find a Western Union location near you. So you can just enter your address right here and then it will find one. And for this example, I'll just select, for example, let's say the Allied Bank right here. Just select one that is near you. And they have a bunch of them all over Pakistan, so you will be able to find one for you. So I'll select this one. And then you will get their opening hours as well as their location. So you can see the location at the top right here. Then what you want to do is just go to that location, and from inside of the Western Union location, you can then send money to wherever you want to send to. So if you are looking for a step-by-step process once you are at the location, first you need to prepare information, so gather the necessary information for the sender and receiver, including the receiver's full name, address, and bank account details. Then go and visit the agent and bring a valid photo ID. Then provide the information and payment, so provide the agent with all the required information and pay the transfer amount plus the applicable fees. Then you will get a confirmation and tracking number, and then you can share the money transfer control number with the receiver, and they can then use that to pick up the money. Now there is a daily limit of $3,000 per day, so if you want to send more than that, you will need to split it across multiple days. So that's how you can send money from Pakistan through Western Union. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.